Hi, my name is Shana from WTI. Winter is right around the corner and you can be a showstopper on the ice with these ice skates from Bladerunner. So these are the Rollerblade Bladerunner Ice Diva figure skates, and these are by far the most gorgeous recreational skates. I get so many compliments when I'm on the ice. The embroidery on these skates are absolutely stunning. It has floral embroidery with flecks of rose gold, and the most stunning of all are the rose gold plated blades with nice sized toe picks. Now these skates make me feel like a diva on the ice. Well, in street shoes, I wear a 7.5 and I size down to 6 in these skates, and my feet felt amazing in them and they fit perfectly. Now, these skates also have nice fur lining to help keep your feet warm because of course it gets super cold in the ice rinks. These blades glide really easily on the ice and I feel secure enough to be on my inside or outside edges. And I really love the reinforced hooks and lace closure, so it really locks my feet and ankles in place, and you're sure to be a showstopper on the ice. And that's my point of view.